Welcome back to Ground Up Guts, everybody. It is time to move the chicken tractor. So this is the chicken tractor, hot fence. We're going to shut this off so I don't get shocked. That's as easy as it gets. That's why I really like this Premier One hot fence. We're moving.
Go to your left. You're going to walk into your power source. Keep going. A little more to the left. And you're there.
Okay.
Hand me the rake.
Now that's about 3 days. That's about 3 days, and 6 chickens have picked that absolutely clean. I'm going to throw down some seed, put some straw on top of that, and you can see back here, 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks, last week, and this week. So in about a month, you can really get a nice lawn going. This chicken tractor was just experimental. It's too heavy. It will not let me put the amount of chickens on the square footage that I need to really be anything close to efficient. But this one's going to stay in the yard. This is going to be in the backyard until I get the backyard completely seeded up, and then we'll take it out to the front yard and get rid of all of that, all of those weeds, all of that crabgrass, everything, and we'll have a really nice lush yard. This winter we're going to experiment with building much bigger, much lighter chicken tractors so we can start running them behind the goats. And well, that's about it. I'm going to throw some seed down, throw some straw down, and move this fence up a little bit. And that's how you use a chicken tractor. There's your seed, your straw. We moved the fence, and now we're going to close it up.
And light her up. It's drooping.
Ground clip is right here. And that's about it. See you next time on Ground Up Guts. Have a good day.